Oh, what's that?
Oh, this one's got 8 feet. Look at this beautiful spot. Just setting up camp now, putting the tent up. We've got the gazebo, got the tarp down, got the tables out. Now we're just doing the divorce tent, putting the divorce tent up, eh babe? It is like 37 degrees out, very hot. This is going to be camp for the next 2 nights. We're out at Chillagoe Walsh River. And we're going to do some hiking and fishing next couple days. Tent's up. We're going to put the waterproof cover over it, but I think we might leave it. Probably going to get a bit dewy in the morning, but we don't mind a bit of dew. With this heat, everything's going to dry out pretty quickly anyway. It's 5:27. So we've probably got like an hour of sunlight, maybe a bit more. We'll probably go for a swim once that's done. Once the tent's all set up and the air mattress is blown up. Go for a little bit of a flick maybe. Getting the yabby pots, gonna go chuck probably 3 of them out just overnight, see how we go. We got tuna as bait, and yeah, just gonna go down the little creek edge just down here, see if we can get any yabbies or whatever's in here. On that. Let's go. Morning. It's just on 6 o'clock. Sun's about to come up. It was really hot last night. As you can tell with the tent, there's nothing on it, no waterproof cover. I'm guessing it was in its 30s last night because we had no blanket on and we were sweating. And then as soon as it hit like 2 o'clock in the morning, it got cool, but it was still hot. And that's probably when we got some sleep. We're gonna get up now, go for a quick flick, use some surface, little stick bait. Check the pots. Oh, bloody thing come open. Oh, it's just a couple little fish. There you go. Nothing. Yep. What's that? Little archfish. Oh no, little sooty. Yay! First little sooty. First sooty of the trip. Only a little fella, but he's a beauty though. Put him back. Yep. Oh, he's got me caught up. There we go, got him off. Is it a little sooty? Nah, little archerfish. Holy, he's going crazy. One more cast and we'll keep going. I think there's a really big pool up a bit further when I was flying the drone before I seen it. Little baby archerfish. Perfect little fish tank size. Look at that. Beauty. Should have seen them all beelining for it as soon as I threw it in there. Look at that. Oh, how good's that? Come on, little fella. There's a cow over there. Bloody archerfish everywhere, man. Cow looks like he wants to have a go at me. Just went from over there, now it's running over to me. It's probably just curious, wondering what I am. Bloody pretty agile through these rocks. Oh, fucking straight up. Bloody archfish, guarantee it. Oh, little guy. Wait. There you go. Ooh. Give me a sooty or something. I don't want to fucking archerfish. Come on. Another archfish. Come on, jump off. There you go. Yep. that a little archerfish or a little sooty? Little sooty, oh no, little archerfish. Man, it's hard to tell sometimes. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a little archerfish again. What was it? Oh yeah. Little archfish. Yep. What is that? It's gone down deep. Might be another catfish again. Nut sooty, nice sooty too. Awesome. Look at that. Alright, there you go. First decent sooty of the trip. He's probably roughly 30. He's got an empty stomach. Yeah, absolutely smashed it. Hit one of my trebles, smacked one of the hooks off my treble. So we're just gonna have to do with 2 hooks on one treble. So yeah, decent sized sooty, got some bloody teeth on him. But yeah, we'll throw him back and see if we can get another one. This is the 3rd or 4th campsite I've found rubbish at. It's all buried under here. There'd be heaps, absolutely heaps. And this is glass. There's broken stuff as well. Just make sure you bloody, you know, put your rubbish away. Put it in a bin bag and take it home with you. It's not that hard. We get a dump back where we live, you know, at every town. We don't have to leave it at this, you know, beautiful campsite. We need to look after the places we got left. That's my rant for the day. I'm just following this cow track back to camp, which I don't know what direction it is in. I think it's that way. I'm just gonna follow the river.
Oh!
What?
There was a snake. You don't do that, Bruno. You'll Bruno, you won't be able to get out of that sand. Nice one.
No.
We have to carry Bruno because the sand's too hot for his little paws.
My poor little baby. He's up there. I've got you. Daddy's got you. Don't want to burn his little feet. Hey boy. You can see so much from up here, babe. Yeah, you can see the road. You can see all the campsites. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, on? Oh, nah. Oh, on. Get him. Got him. That's awesome, little archerfish. Man, they love surfers. Watch out. Oh, there you go. That's alright. I didn't want you to get a hook in. On? Get him. Little archerfish. That's alright. I got a little arch fish chasing mine. Yep. Oh, it's guaranteed it's a little archer fish. Yeah. Little guy. Come here. What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a big catfish, I think. Oh no. He absolutely inhaled it too. I was like, what's that? Holy, this thing's a beast. Holy. On the 1002. Come on, you big unit. Up you get. I think he actually absolutely engulfed that too. Oh, this is going to be a mission. Slow and steady. Oh. There he is. Oh, there's one after him. There's another one trying to get it out of his mouth. There's a bigger catfish trying to get it out of his mouth. Go on, buddy. Big ass catfish. Oh, that's so cool. He hit that like a barra. It's like boom, just hit the surface. Look, there's another one. Trying to have a go at him. Go on, mate. I only got 20 pound. There, oh, come on. Just got to be really light with this fella. I only got 20 pound on. Come on. I'll try bring him over here. Guarantee there's some big catfish in here. This one's the right size. Come on. Bring him around here. It's a bit of a shallow section. I should have brought my lip grips. I didn't think I was going to be hooking up to catfish this big. There we go. Oh, he's still running. Check out this beast. Check out that unit. On surface, he's probably, ooh, he'd be bloody 700 long, but man, he weighs a lot. That lure is absolutely all the way down his throat near the gill, near his gills. So I'm gonna have to try and get a stick and pull it out. But while I was catching this guy, I could see another one trying to get it out of his mouth. But yous would have seen that. He come up and hit it like a bloody barra. So last night we used tuna for bait for the yabby pots. And I'm just gonna go potato tonight. So I'm just putting half a potato in, and yeah, it should be perfect size. There you go.
Alright, 7:30 in the morning.
Just checking the
Sam's
pots.
checking the pots. See if we got anything.
We got this one, and then we got 2 more. I can't really see anything in there, but hopefully the potatoes will work. Hey!
Oh, we got 2.
Well, they're decent size too.
Look at that.
Holy. Rigs.
Look,
Yeah, come have a look.
Bruno. Careful, they'll nip your feet off.
They'll nip ya.
Here, Bruno, look. Look. What are they?
Oh, you little shit. Fucking come here. There we go. Look at that.
Oh.
These.
Look, he's curious.
Ah! What are they?
Careful, get your nose, Bruno.
They'll nip ya. Well, I wish we got them yesterday. We would have cooked them
What
up.
do you reckon? I know, can you believe that?
So potatoes work. Nice. Don't
We're
use...
literally packing up to leave,
Yeah.
and now we find we could have had some of these bad boys for dinner. Oh well,
Yeah.
at least they'll live another day.
Yeah, we'll just put them back. We'll check the other ones. I don't want to slide into the mud.
Oh no, your thongs. Oh, there. Is that 2?
3.
3. Oh my god, babe.
4.
4.
Yeah.
And now we're going home.
We could have had like 2 down there and 4 of these. And there's probably more in the next pot. Jesus. Bloody potatoes.
Oh my god, we've got more.
Yep, 2 more. Look at that. 3 more. Oh, this one got eaten by something. There's like a head in here. Check it out.
Oh.
Must have got eaten by a fish.
Oh gosh.
See it?
Yeah.
What the hell? Head's just been chomped. This would have been perfect live bait, eh? We got them the night before. Probably would have chucked them out live. Oh, this one's a big unit. Oh, he's trying to have a go at me. Look at that. What a beast. Let's throw them all back. So the next person who comes here will have a bit of a feed. Ah! Like, look at this though.
Like it was full of eggs.
Oh, that one. That would have been a right feed, eh? They've actually absolutely smashed this potato, eh? Ah! Ow! Ow! There you go. Another one.
One more.
I'm a bit scared to grab these ones now. Holy, this one's
Might have
huge.
to shake him down.
This one's got a bit of a soft shell. Look at that one, that's the biggest one.
I'm trying to work out the best way to get out of here.
Yeah. Way we're not going to get bogged. That way, Bob. That way. Might not get bogged. Sounds like park the car closer. Park it closer. Is that close enough? Bog Central?
Alright.